Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to change font in draw.io. Changing fonts help improve readability and the visual appearance of your diagram. First, open your diagram in draw.io and click on the text element whose font you want to change. On the right-hand panel, formatting options will appear under text. Click on text, then click the font drop-down. To change the font for multiple text elements at once, hold down the Control key on the keyboard and click each text item to select them together. After selecting, open the font drop-down and choose any available font such as Times New Roman or select a custom font if available. Once selected, the font will update immediately on all highlighted text elements. And that's it. We just learned how to change fonts for single or multiple text elements using the text formatting panel in draw.io. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delft Stack tutorial video.